Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys my routine when taking down a protective style. So I've had these braids in for 4 weeks now, and as you can see, I have a bit of new growth. Maybe everything isn't new growth, maybe there's some slippage or something in it, but that's how my hair is looking after 4 weeks. So now I'm just removing it. You can use any pointy thing, preferably like a rat tail comb or something. I couldn't find mine, so I just used a pencil and do all of that. To save time, you can just cut the braid, but I'm scared to cut my real hair, even though I know it doesn't go all the way out to the end of the braid. But yeah, anyways, I decided to take it out after 4 weeks because of all the built up that I had on my hair, especially in the nape area. There was just too much. But as I take out each braid, I'll show you the built up that's on the hair. You see wherever you see like the white thing, like right there. Yeah. Yeah, but was a cute hairstyle for the moment. Kind of like 3 corners at the side, and then the rest was single braid. Yeah, it was nice. It was a good protective style because for this year I am doing a protective style journey type thing. So for the whole of 2021, I just want to see how much hair I can retain. And as you can see, I eventually just got tired of trying to take out the whole braid. So I ended up cutting it, make the job way easier, less time, all of that. And I'm throwing in a little length check situation. Yeah, so all that white stuff you see close to the root, all of that is built up. And that's how my hair is looking after taking out all the braids. I have a little, a little growth going on. So now I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment, and for this hot oil treatment I'll be using grapeseed oil and peppermint oil, and you can Google it. Those two are good, you know. And with the oil will help to loosen up all the built up that's on the scalp, because if I go in with a comb to try to comb it out, I'm just gonna rip my hair out, and all the time I spend trying to grow my hair would just be a waste of time. So yeah. So I'm putting it on the scalp first, just parting the hair, make sure I get it on all parts of my head, focusing on the scalp first. Then I put some in my hand and just apply it to the rest of the hair. And the ends also. Make sure you remember to oil the ends of the hair. since those are the older parts and they tend to be way drier, especially with like type 4 type of hair. And don't forget the edges. So after I put in all the oil, I just tied my hair, then put on a shower cap and a hat. Then I head to the gym and just keep it in for a few hours, let it steam a bit, and do its thing. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after, what time is it? After like 7 to 8 hours of having the oil on my hair. You can even still see the oil on the hair shaft. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I'm not sure, I might need a trim. We'll see. I haven't put any form of heat on my hair since May of last year, May 2020. And it's now June 2021, so I don't know, I think I might blow it out, see if certain parts need to be trimmed. Then yeah, I'm just gonna wash it now. I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be washing my hair with. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna go with the shampoo. I don't think I'm gonna do the conditioner today. I think I'm gonna do a protein treatment. For the protein treatment, I'm gonna go in with this. Listen, I swear by this product. Even when I had relaxer, I used this product, and now that I have natural hair and I still use it. Okay, so this is after I washed my hair with the shampoo and put in the hair mayonnaise, the protein treatment. And this is how my hair is looking. Wow, it's still in my hair. One thing with this protein treatment I love is that it leaves your hair feeling so soft even after I wash it out and no product in my hair. My hair is extremely soft, and as you can see, my hair is super defined and all of that, curls popping. So if you haven't used that product before, please go out and get it. Okay guys, so this is part one. In this video, I just decided to focus on the braid takedown and the wash part, and then in part two, I'll be releasing a few days from now. I'll be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair and get it prepped for my next protective style. Okay, bye guys.